Hi, and welcome to TextConnect. TextConnect is a multilingual chat app that allows users to communicate with others in their native language. TextConnect enables users to compose messages in the language that they speak. Messages that they will receive will also be translated to their language. There are a number of use cases for this app, some of which include communication while traveling, personal communication, and global business. TextConnect was built using a Ruby on Rails backend and a React frontend. Additionally, I utilized Redux for state management. I implemented JWT Auth. I used the Google Cloud Translate API, speech synthesis, action cable, and flash message. As a new user to TextConnect, you can input a username and password and select a language from any of these listed on the dropdown. The Google Cloud Translate API supports up to 104 languages. I am a user in this database and I am a native English speaker, so that is what I set my language to when I first signed up. So I'll go ahead and log in as myself. As a user with TextConnect, I have the ability to add contacts. I can search for anyone here and add them as a friend. I have a contact book. I can search through all of these users here, start conversations, remove friends, and search by text. I have a number of conversations with other users. I can see if I have any unread messages for any of these conversations, and I can also search for users here. I have a profile. I can edit this profile and see the changes appended in real time. So I'll add my last name here, save these changes, and we'll see that appended to the name. So if I want to message Rachel, who is a native Spanish speaker, I can go ahead and log in as Rachel in this other window, so we can see here. I will go search for my conversation with Rachel, and we can see all of our previous messages loaded here. If we scroll up, we also have the ability to rename a conversation. But let's say I want to text her. So I will type in English. I'll say, "Hi, how are you?" And what we expect to see here is that Rachel will receive a flash notification in the top right corner. And when she loads her conversation, she should receive this message in Spanish. So I'll go ahead and send this message here, and we'll watch the top right. It should say new message from Dana. And when I go to my chats, we can see the unread message count increase to 1. So I'll go to the conversation with Rachel and Dana. And once Rachel receives this message, this will be translated to Spanish. So we can see here, Dana sent this. So I can write back to Dana, and I'll say bien. Once I send this message in Spanish, Dana should receive the message in English. So we can go ahead and type here, and Dana will receive this message from Rachel. Another feature that I implemented was speech synthesis, so I can go ahead and play these messages out loud.
You said, "Hi, how are you?"
We can play Rachel's as well.
Rachel said, "Well."
As I mentioned earlier, TextConnect supports up to 104 languages. Thanks, and enjoy TextConnect.